Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Darkfall Dave. Glad you could join me and welcome back to Kingdom. So, last time, things didn't go terribly well. I sent out 2 attack parties and both of them succeeded, but we kinda got screwed by the retaliation. So this time around, I'm going to be a little more careful. See if we can actually not make the same mistakes as before. So, first off, let's get some of you, well, one of you, hunting rabbits. And then I'm gonna go off and actually that isn't ominous at all. I'm gonna go off and actually try to find some treasure chests. Ah, here we go. Yes, give me that money. All that high. What are you doing here so early? Okay, don't stop. Cause that guy isn't. Okay, guys, pick up bows. Pick up bows. Hurry and pick up bows. Come on, let's go. We need a defense. Okay, give me the money. I need that. Okay, you dude, come over here and be a builder. Only need one for now, I think. Yes. Give me the money. I needed to defend you. Ooh. We have like a Is that a dragon or a wyvern? I'm gonna say it's a wyvern. Wyvern is our kingdom symbol this time. Okay, dudes. Come work for me. I can always use more people. Horse. Eat. Eat grass. You grow big and strong. Okay, we can upgrade the camp again. Let's do that. I'm gonna have a couple of people sitting around doing nothing for a bit, but can't really be helped. I don't have enough gold to do all the things I need to be done. Not yet. Why are you heading to the right side? There's already like 3 archers over there. Come to the left. There's only 1 over here. Okay. So. The second night. And we've already made some decent progress. Let's actually have you. Everybody's heading to the right. Why? I don't need more guys on the right now. I need more guys on the left. Okay. More money. Where could I could build a farm here. Although I need to expand quite a ways to the left to protect it. If I wanted to build one here, I'd have to destroy that camp. And I'm not sure I want to do that. Oh, hey, dude. Bring me stuff. Stuff and things and goodies. Really? Are none of you doing any hunting? Fine. I'll go find you some deer. Okay. Give me your deer. Come here, deer. Yep, you too. Come here. And you, and maybe not you. I got 3 deer. Let's start herding them back. Come on. Head back to camp. Yep. There we go. Do. Deer. Okay, archer dudes. Do these archer dudes do any better? Okay. You're bringing me hammers. Okay. Let's see now. Okay. I'm thinking, yeah, maybe get a level 1 farm set up here. So we at least have some better income than we currently have. Most of our current income is coming from the daily chest. And it isn't that much. So let's build this farm. And do we have a free person? Yes, we do. Okay, do we have enough? I think, yeah, just enough to get a farmer. Okay. Yeah, it might not be a bad idea to expand out to here. Or maybe even out to here, so I'll have a wall protecting the farms. And then I can upgrade them to level 2, which will bring more money in. Okay, let's actually set that to be cut down. And that too. And then you should head back, so you don't get caught out here. Okay. Oh. Ye got got out there anyway. Okay. Give me that money. Hey. And let's take that tree down, and that should let us build out here, which will give us 2 farms to work with inside the walls. Okay. Okay, I have to wait for the trees in the background to disappear, and then we can build this up. Although, probably not yet, because the blood moon's coming. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh boy. That is a rather lot of bad guys. Okay, that wasn't terribly bad. They did break through, but they didn't manage to do that much. Okay, let's get that money. Performers are heading out. Get another farmer, and then get the people to fill those positions. Okay. And finally, upgrade the camp. Boom. We now have a town hall. Okay, so that's gonna do it for this episode. I think the way I'm gonna do Kingdom episodes from now on is I'm gonna end after each blood moon. And that should keep the episodes fairly even in length. And I think it's a good stopping off point anyway. So, thank you everyone for joining me. I hope to see you all next time.